Hi, I'm Sara from SewingMastery.com, and we just finished filming 30 videos on the Singer Confidence 7463 sewing machine. And I just want to highlight a few of the things that I learned that I really like about this machine. Number one, it's quiet, it's easy to use. There are lights right here. There's two LED lights. You can see them shining on the fabric right now. That's important. And being able to just pick a stitch and sew without thinking of like what the settings need to be. You can still adjust them, but these 30 stitches that are built in offer you both utility stitches, decorative stitches, and actually some fabulous looking buttonholes. I really like the way these stitch out. You can put the button in the foot and then it knows exactly how long to make these buttonholes. Sewing on buttons, look, there's a stitch for that. So it's real easy just to go in and put all the buttons back on that might have been lost. If you're looking for stretch stitches, these stitches are both reinforced and stretchy, and there are 5 accessory feet that come with this machine. So from doing decorative work, blind hems / overlock foot, buttonhole foot, and zipper foot. We've done videos on all of those, so definitely check it out. There's links to the playlist in this YouTube video, so you can go see more of them. It's got an auto tension, so for those of you who just don't want to deal with tension, just leave it at auto. Put good quality thread in your needle and bobbin, and you'll be sewing even stitches, balanced stitches every single time. There is a drop-in bobbin, so it's easy to get to, easy to see if you are about ready to run out before you're done. If you purchase a free motion quilting foot, this machine will easily free motion quilt. If you are a quilter, this white line right here is a 1/4 inch inch line that you can follow, and there are some fabulous decorative stitches that you can just push and away you go. You can do it with a single needle, and you can also do it with a double needle or twin needle. These are videos that we've completely done along with the needle threader. Everybody asks, how do I use the needle threader and how do I clean my Singer sewing machine? So watch for those videos to keep your machine nice and smooth running for years to come.